Okay guys, let me talk to you, but first, stop the dishwasher. Heavens, but remember to turn the dishwasher back on. Important. Okay guys, it's after school. I'm home. The kitchen is looking relatively tidy because today I did myself a solid, because you gotta look out for yourself, and I asked Patra if she could come and help me today. So she's currently with my children in the basement having fun and entertaining, and then we're gonna tackle a mountain of laundry and start folding some laundry. Because it takes a village, you guys, it really takes a village. But when I got home, there were some packages that have arrived and I thought we could open them together. I don't get sent a ton of stuff, but I thought you could see what I purchased and then a little gift I have received. Okay, so you might be familiar with my Instagram, and if you've been watching me lately, then you know that I'm really getting into fitness and have been for the last several months. And I just ordered myself some more clothes, and so I thought I would show you like my latest Athletica, what I bought. I'll do a little try on. I'll show you what this looks like. I'm obsessed with this brand. Yeah, I'm obsessed with just having cute outfits. I don't know about you, but like I find it motivating to be looking good, and then when I get to the gym, I feel like I look cute, I look put together. Let's do a big workout. I don't know. It's something in my head. I've always been that way, and I know a lot of you are like that, so don't judge. No judge. And then I started opening this and I was like, wait, this is quite the package. There's a lot of cute stuff in here. Let's do it together, shall we? Okay, so I got this Peak ceramic mug with infuser and lid. So this is a gift from Betadine and sore throat gargle, and this one is the sore throat spray. The Sick Canuck Relief Kit. I mean, when in Rome, I tell ya, this is cozy. So I was just reading about this post-opening because I was like, could I take this right now for my congestion? But basically what it is you would take it at the onset of a sore throat. So the second you start to feel that little tingle, bam, you take it. And it's Health Canada approved to treat viral and bacterial infections. So it's like one of those things you want to have in your medicine cabinet, so the second you feel it, you don't want to wait 4 days, you want to take it. So thanks Betadine, because we know, having 2 kids in school that are like little germ incubators, and they bring home every sore throat and cold virus ever, then they share with their mom, which is really nice. This will be awesome to have on hand. And then this one I can just pop in my purse or backpack or wherever I am, because there's also germs at the gym. There's germs everywhere, guys. I'm trying to stay healthy this year, so thanks for the love, Betadine. Okay, let me show you. Oh, I'm really cozy now though. This is real cozy, like real cozy. But I did want to show you my Athletica haul, so I'm gonna change. I'll come back with my first outfit. Okay, so here is the first top. Now this is the Gymshark tank. This one is in, I think it's like a blush pink or nude or something. I thought that a nice light color would go well with my workout stuff. And then these pants are the new Flex. I like the definition with the 2-tone color. Ignore my non-petty toes. And then of course in the back it like defines the booty and sits really nice and high. I know my back is like looking like I've been beaten with something, but I break blood vessels like if I think about it, and I was doing this workout with hips on my step, you know, like a stepper, I guess it's called, and I broke a bunch of blood vessels. Anyways, but these are the new Flex. They literally just launched them and I was so excited. So I wear a medium in the bottoms and a small in the top. I'm quite narrow, like in my chest area. And I guess you could, if you wanted to, pull this down further. But I like it just to sit, just to cover my little areas, you know? And I tried a medium top. I tried a medium shirt and I find that it kind of rised up. It was coming up a little bit. Anyway, okay, so this is this outfit. And now I'll show you the next one. Guys, I'm winded. Putting on athletic wear is like, oh, okay. So same top, obviously. And these ones are the sage camo. I love these. They feel a little bit more compression than the other ones, and I like that they have a really nice thick high-waisted band. The booty does have the little ruching, I think it's called, which I wasn't sure about, but you know what? You got a booty. Flaunt it a little. And I like the print. I have to say, this is like going outside of my comfort zone because I'm like a black neutral color kind of bottom for the leggings, or like gray like the other ones, but I do like the camo, and I feel like it's a very feminine camo, so there we go. So you're gonna have to let me know in the comments if you wanna see like my whole gym workout outfits, because I have a bunch of them now. I'll do like a dedicated video with all my outfits and what I'm using for like supplements and what my workouts look like. So yeah, leave me some comments. Okay, after hashing it out, we've decided we're gonna go out for dinner. So I thought maybe I would cook. I'm not feeling it. We're getting ready back here. Someone's a straggler. It's me. Patra's ready. Esme's ready. It's basically me and Jack that need to get ready here. So let's go. Okay, here Jackie, socks. Here dude. Sit down. Sit down. Let's get some socks. Of course, just getting the ordering down. Yay! Trying to figure out what we're having for dinner. It's kind of a nice treat out, you know? I don't have to cook all the time. Treat yourself. How's dinner going there, kid? So full. So full. And the pants. I know, right? We must teach you the skill. It's like the old loosen the top button. Best way to go through life. True. Wear stretchy pants. Gold. True. This is obviously to share after a good. It's not. What? What? Delicious. Today is my dad's surprise birthday party. It's not exactly the size I wanted it to be. My brother and his family can't make it. But we're heading into Toronto. We're going skating. We're surprising him at the rink with my aunt and her kids. He thinks he's just spending the day with them. And it should be really fun. Oh, and I'm going to get him balloons on the way, like big 60, because he's turning 60. So, hello. So that's what we're off to do. Come with us. So was that like super fun or what?
Yeah.
Want to make skating like our new thing?
Yeah.
Jack, what do you think? He's like, no comment. That was really fun and they were really good. Loved it. My goodness, who could be that old?
60, Grandpa!
It's only fair. Grandpa always got balloons for the kids, so I thought, perfect. Oh, hello. And someone else likes them. Excuse me, Miss Shade. Don't eat that.
Yay!
I knew it was going to go. I was like, woo! Oh my God, 60. I was looking at old videos, Dad, and you know, you used to bring for the kids balloons all the time.
That's right. Now I got my own.
Yeah.
For years.
Yeah.
Years.
Because they just love them and they play with them.
That's because I love them. I don't care with the kids.
Serbian tea. Let's try it. Don't play with that 1,000 times.
Oh, you know what?
Where's Sadie?
I think you're right. I think I can.
Steal him. He's mine.
Delicious.
Gotcha. You don't want to be attacked.
Oh, hi. You're very cute, Shade. You're like, well,
I've never seen this many people in the house.
what's
before.
going on? So cute. And my aunt was just showing me this picture of my grandma. Check this.
Oh my God, that's his favorite.
So this is my grandma. Is there a similarity or what? And that's my grandpa there.
Russian blue.
She's about 45. That's crazy.
We have a circle blue.
Just chilling. Hi, Ben. You're cute. I know I didn't mean to call you over. Sorry.
Ready for bed?
Lasagna. Jackie, you want some milk? You got your shade. Ben, get out of my butt. That'd be great. Water.
Touch these because they're really hot, you guys.
What's that?
Hummus. Here, we'll open this later. Maybe Jackie?
And Dean and Nora. The whole family. Very nice.
And
Sean and Sarah, Liam, Caleb, and Emmett. Whoa, the big 6-0. Well, just imagine the discounts you're not qualified for.
Oh my God! We need to go to Shoppers. Is he a senior now?
Yes.
What do you think? That's what's what I'm thinking.
Says, hey, Happy
First
60th
Monday of the month or
birthday.
something
Oh
like
my
that.
God, you're 6 years old, love. Madeline, happy birthday. Thank you.
And this is from all of us. All and Sean's family too.
Yep. My God.
It's a Fitbit.
Oh, wow, thanks. Do I put this around my head?
No, you put it on your
Where was
wrist.
it?
It's
My
mostly a
wrist?
tracking device if Dad just goes a little woo woo and starts like walking.
Glass of wine.
In the night, yeah. I almost went for it.
Oh, there goes
With
Dad
the
now.
dust.
Yeah, he's not there
We'll be
for
able to
it.
figure out where you are.
Hey,
Actually,
nice.
it's
It's
Wow.
for your heart rate
Look at this,
and
man. See this? Look at this.
heart rate.
This. It's mine. You can't have it. Haha, you can't have it. You can look at it. You can't have it.
I look at the back of it.
Happy birthday, dear Grandpa John. Dad.
Whatever you're called.
Whatever you are.
Whatever your name is.
You. Woo. Make a wish.
Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50? Are you 60?
Woo.
Check it out, man.
Home sweet home. That was an awesome weekend. I got to spend it with a few of my favorite people, and today just celebrating Dad and his 60th, and all good things. And now it's like our new favorite thing to go skating, so I need to do more of that. That was awesome. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Links below to anything I talked about today, or at least to most things, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!